Hello, everybody. Today's topic is augmenting the human intellect. The idea of augmentation of the human intellect became very much in fashion after Doug Engelbart invented the mouse and unveiled the mouse in 1968 along with a group of 17 researchers at a public event that was actually managed in two different locations simultaneously using teleconferencing. And there are videos of that, videos of the original clips of that event located on a link provided to you in the required readings, which you can see if you go to the right side and look at the panel for a further description of this video. I really love the idea of augmentation of the human intellect as the appropriate way to think about using computers. What computers have done to us is extend our intellect and allow us to go further. The problem has been how to design the computer interfaces and the programs so that it actually does augment our intellect rather than get in the way. One of the greatest inventions was to be able to coordinate hand motions with pointer motions on a screen. And that is what Doug Engelbart helped pioneer. By the way, Doug is a graduate of the engineering department here at UC Berkeley, so we're very proud of him. I want you to look at, scan around through those clips and see what it looked like. It's very interesting when you look back in time what that mouse looked like. It was a very big, clunky device that looked like a box that you're moving around on the ground. And he also had a lot of advanced ideas about what you could do to augment intellect in his demonstration. This is a very important counterpart to the other movement in the computing world that was in fashion in the 60s, which is artificial intelligence. It's the idea that the computer becomes more intelligent and it basically takes over our work as an intellectual side. That has been a very difficult receding aspect of computing, but the augmentation of intelligence is a far more solid and well-grounded idea. Along with the link to the videos of Doug Engelbart demonstrating the mouse, there's one also to Wikipedia which gives you a biography of him and his work. And at the bottom you will find another video by Maggie, our co-teacher, and she shows you an example of voice recognition technology. I think a very artsy presentation actually of using voice recognition. And it makes you think, where are we going with it all? If we can talk to our computer instead of having to type with our computer, if we can tell our computer to move from one place to the other, and so we begin to talk with it, would that not be a significant augmentation of our intelligence to have a silent partner that sometimes talks to us, a robotic system that's much more coordinated with our own thoughts without having to use our fingers so much and damaging our bodies? Those of you who were at the lecture earlier this week on ergonomics must now realize that the way we've constructed these machines is not a way which also corresponds comfortably to how we are as human beings in our human bodies. So that alone, getting the machine out of the way so we can communicate with it more comfortably, is augmentation. In fact, this video is an example, isn't it? I could have been typing this for a long time, but I can transmit the message to you even as messy as it is, more effectively this way than if I just simply write more text. Of course, it causes other issues when you're studying for exams and writing things because everything isn't so quantified into those textual packets. But that's more like real life. So without ado, please go examine the link, check out Mr. Doug Engelbart, and look at Maggie's demonstration of voice recognition technology, and think about how all this is going and taking us to new places in augmenting our intellect.